Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoying my remodel series and also my Sunday self-care pamper days. I appreciate it if you leave me a thumbs up and a like if you love this video. Today we'll be doing a remodel of my laundry room. Stay tuned for my refresh where I'll be adding front load washer and dryers. This is where I am so far. Everything in the video is from Lowe's. The color that I'm using, which is the fourth color that I chose, is Marquee Garden Vista N430-3M. This is a one-coat Behr product, one-coat paint, and it also includes the primer. One of my favorite colors is slate. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up and comment below and let me know what's your favorite thing inside the laundry room. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy!